Did you know that a properly maintained furnace can reduce energy bills as much as 15% a month? In this video, we're going to discuss the importance of having routine maintenance done on your furnace. Hi, I'm Jared with Fire and Ice. We have performed maintenance on thousands of furnaces across Central Ohio. In this video, we'll answer the most frequently asked questions regarding tune-ups and maintenance on your furnace, such as, what is a furnace tune-up? Why does my furnace need maintenance? Who needs a furnace tune-up? How much does a tune-up cost? And finally, how do I schedule a tune-up for my furnace? A tune-up on your furnace is the maintenance done to make sure your furnace continues to operate as it should and detect any problems before they become a bigger, more expensive one. A regularly maintained furnace will keep it running longer, bolster its efficiency, lower energy bills, and is needed to maintain the manufacturer's warranty. During a furnace's maintenance, a number of things are done. We make sure that the system is running safely, test for gas leaks, check the air filter, we test the gas valve operation, check the blower motor operation, we clean the flame sensor, and we inspect and test any electrical wiring, relays, and electrical heat elements, and a lot more. Doing routine maintenance on your furnace is like doing regular maintenance on your car. Without it, your furnace will begin to wear down and be less efficient, costing you more money. According to Energy Saver, nearly 42% of your utility bills go towards heating and cooling your home. Having regular maintenance done to your furnace will help it last as long as possible and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. A poorly maintained furnace can also reduce the life of the system, causing premature failures and potential costly repairs. If you notice any issues, such as longer than normal run times, the system kicking on and off repeatedly or runs much shorter than it should, higher than usual utility bills, burning electrical smells, weak airflow, unusual sounds, if you notice any of these signs, you may be looking at a larger issue that may need repair. We recommend everyone have maintenance performed on their furnace once a year to make sure that everything is safe and working as it should. Most people like to have their maintenance performed pre-season. However, it can be done any time of the year. The important thing is that your furnace is maintained once per year. If you recently had a furnace installed, we recommend having annual maintenance performed after the first year. Even though it's new, there are many things that will affect the operation of the system and comfort of your home, such as flame and ignition sensors, temperature readings, safety measures, removal of any debris buildup, the airflow and filters, and the electrical components and wiring. Annual maintenance will ensure that the system continues to operate as it should. At Fire and Ice, our basic tune-up starts at $119. Our trained and certified service technicians are able to perform maintenance on any furnace, regardless of make or model, even on units we didn't install. If you're looking to save more money while protecting your investment, we also offer maintenance agreements. For a smaller monthly payment, you will be able to get priority status, longer warranties on repairs, discounts on accessories and equipment, and much more. Scheduling maintenance for your furnace is simple. Either give us a call or visit our website and complete the request for service form. Once we receive your request, we will give you a call to schedule your service within 24 hours. If you are already set up with one of our maintenance agreement plans, you can rest easy. We will contact you when it's time to schedule your maintenance. Your furnace is at the heart of your HVAC system. It heats your home during the colder months and circulates conditioned air year-round. Keep your furnace operating with routine maintenance. If you want more information on heating systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to click subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.